And why pol sci? Is this your first choice or
Yes po, this is my first choice.
Okay. Why?
Yeah. So, it was actually a dream of my father to become a lawyer. And wala niya na-achieve sadly. So, he shared to me, like, siguro financial constraints.
And maybe family reason, no?
Family
Tungod
reason,
ninyo.
siguro po. And so, gi-share niya sa ako. And I was motivated to assume the dream that he never kanang achieved. So, that's why I wanted to become a lawyer. And pol sci, as related to politics and law. So, murag nainganyo po ko to pursue it because of its background.
Pero katong bata pa ta, di ba? Naamatay elementary years, namatay journal. Di ba? Na may ginabutang din nga. Unsay imong gusto pag muda ko na ka? Ikaw, unsay imong answer dito?
Actually, I wanted to be an engineer.
Really?
Civil engineer.
Kaya ang pinaka-common, I wanted to be a nurse, I wanted to be a doctor, I wanted to be an engineer. So that's the common good. Kaya mo may mas na, I don't know, nganong ang mga bata, katong bata pa ta sa una, nganong ingon ana ang atong mga choices. Ikaw, why? Why engineer?
Tungod baby because maoy nasulod sa kong utok na pinaka-practical nga program na magdali ra ka makatrabaho dali ra ka
okay.
Yeah, so and also because some of my cousins are engineers, so
I see.
murag na influence pud ko nila ba to take.
Eldest ba ka or ikapila ka?
Youngest po.
Youngest among
5.